Hello loves, and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you one of my comfort food recipes. It's one of my crockpot recipes that I usually do during the winter months. It's still a little chilly here in Philly, so I'm going to whip up this crockpot veggie chili for you guys. So come and join me in the kitchen and I'm going to show you how I make it. OMG, would you please look at this deliciousness? I am so ready to garnish this and dig in. But before we do, I want to share with you how I made these little mini cornbreads. And back in the fall, I have a recipe linked below of how I just added a little twist to them, so you can just check that out. So let's garnish this chili, and what we're going to do is just add a little bit of your favorite cheese if you like cheese. If you don't have to add it. But if you want some sour cream, you can add some sour cream and some green onions. And lastly, guys, you can take the already prepared chili and add an additional topping to it, and that topping would be some ground turkey. So I prepared some ground turkey on the side, and I just added it to a separate pot of chili for the hubby because he loves the meat. and you can do it the same way. And what I did here, I just prepared it with some tortilla chips and gave him the same thing with the cheese, toppings, and the green onions as well. So I hope you all enjoyed these 2 recipes, and I hope you try them out for yourself and let me know how you like them. Give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, lovelies. Thank you for joining me, and let's stay connected by subscribing to my channel and giving us a thumbs up. And until next time, bye, lovelies.